Hey gearheads, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic muscle cars of the late 60s, the 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle. It's loud, it's proud, and it's got the kind of street presence that turns heads 50 years later. Buckle up, because we're about to break down everything: the exterior, interior, performance, and what makes this classic such a legend. Let's start with the exterior. The 1969 Chevelle was part of the second generation, and man, what a looker. Chevy gave it a more aggressive, sculpted body compared to earlier models. The dual headlamp setup and wide chrome grille give the front a bold, confident face. You'll notice the fastback roofline, sleek and aerodynamic, feeding into a sharp rear end with horizontal taillights and more chrome accents. This car means business from every angle. The most sought-after version. The Chevelle SS 396. That's right, the Super Sport package added a domed hood, blacked-out grille, and SS badging. And don't forget those rally wheels wrapped in beefy rubber, a signature muscle car stance. Interior. Step inside and you're greeted by pure 1960s Americana. The interior of the 1969 Chevelle is simple, functional, but full of charm. Bucket seats or bench. You had options, but either way, it's all about driving. The dashboard is wide and flat, featuring clean analog gauges, speedometer, fuel, temperature, all the essentials, no digital fluff. The four-spoke steering wheel gives you that old-school muscle car feel, and if you're lucky, you might find one with the optional tachometer and clock combo. Finishes ranged from basic vinyl to more upscale trim with woodgrain accents. And don't forget the center console with the Hurst shifter, a must-have for real gearheads. Alright, time for the heart of the beast, performance. The Chevelle was all about choices. The base models came with a 230 or 250 cubic inch inline six, but let's be honest, the fun starts with the V8s. Performance. The SS 396 was the performance flagship. A 396 cubic inch big block V8, available in three versions: 325, 350, or a tire shredding 375 horsepower variant. Mated to either a 3-speed automatic or a 4-speed manual, this car could do 0 to 60 in under 6 seconds, seriously quick for its time. And the sound. Pure American thunder. That deep rumble from dual exhausts is unmistakable. Suspension-wise, it wasn't built for corner carving, but for straight-line speed. It was king. The heavy-duty suspension on SS models gave it just enough grip to keep things interesting. The 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle wasn't just a car, it was a statement. A working man's muscle machine, blending power, style, and accessibility. Whether you love the raw power of the SS 396 or just admire the timeless design, the 69 Chevelle holds a special place in automotive history. It's a symbol of an era when horsepower was cheap, style was bold, and cars had real soul. And today, it's a highly collectible classic that still commands respect on the street, and it shows. If you enjoyed this look at the Chevelle, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Tell us your favorite muscle car of all time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next ride.